Chief Minister Chingakham informs the House that one person has been arrested in connection with the murder of Chingakham, Malemnganba, and expressed confidence that all those involved in his killing will be arrested soon. The Chief Minister also stressed need for verification of the rising number of licensed gun holders in the state. He was responding to a calling attention motion raised by opposition MLA K. Ranjit. Raising the issue, MLA Ranjit said the killing of 51-year-old Malemnganba, who was shot dead by unidentified persons along Kairag Tejpur Road on March 13 evening, was a disturbing incident. The MLA also expressed apprehension that such incidents could recur if strict measures are not taken, adding that the state has already witnessed several violent acts, including hurling of bombs. Responding to the concerns, the Chief Minister Chingakham described the killing as a very unfortunate incident. He confirmed that one person has been arrested so far. However, there is no evidence yet to prove that the arrested person carried out the crime. He added that further investigation and interrogation are underway. The Chief Minister assured the House that necessary steps are being taken to prevent such incidents in the future and stressed the need for verification of licensed firearm holders across the state.